All right, it's project time, film grade. Okay, I want you to do some color grading for a certain look. You might decide whether it's Hollywood, Bollywood, indie, it's up to you. I want some strong kind of grade so that we can see it just to practice. You can use your own file, your own file. I need to fix that up. It gets proofed before you get it, don't worry. So use your own file or use pixels.com. Here you can go into here. There's a lot of videos. There's lots of other free video sites that you could use as well if you've got one you prefer. And what I want you to do is do a before and after and actually upload the actual video clip. We've been doing a lot of screenshots up until now, but we want to see the before and after. So a nice trick for that when you're uploading your project is in Premiere Pro, because we've applied this to an adjustment layer. You should have. If you haven't, you're in trouble, because this trick doesn't work unless it's on its own separate adjustment layer, is do something like this where there's a before and after, okay, so that we can all kind of see. If it's very long, you might, this one's not long, so it's probably going to loop nicely and we'll be able to see the difference. If you got a long one, you might go like this and copy it and paste it. If it's pasting weirdly, remember, it has to be on the right track targeting. And you can kind of do something like this where there's a couple of chances of it doing before and after, before and after. You get the idea. Once you've done it, upload it to either Behance or Vimeo and share it in the assignments, in the projects, maybe in the comments. Also share it on social media. Remember, YouTube can be a little bit tricky when you are using somebody else's content. They go, you have used somebody else's content. Even though you've added a sweet grade to it, they still don't like it. So try and use something else. All right, so that's your not homework. That is your fun class project. Do some color grading, and I'll see you in the next video.